In today's digital landscape, peace of mind is priceless, especially for small to medium businesses. Imagine having a robust cybersecurity strategy that fits your budget. That's where we come in. We specialize in securing and managing Microsoft 365 environments tailored specifically for your needs. Unlock peace of mind, affordable cybersecurity for your business. We secure and manage Microsoft 365 environments for small to medium businesses. With our customized solutions, you can unlock the full potential of M365, enhancing collaboration and productivity while keeping your data safe. Our expert support and advice ensure that you're not just protected, but empowered to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Discover how M365 can boost your small to medium business with our customized solutions, support, and advice. Curious about how we can help? Book a 30-minute free consultation today, and let's explore how we can safeguard your digital world together.